Now I'll be talking about transitions. So here you'll see I have two images already selected and with the greeting as hello. So what you have to do is you have to go to transitions and you will see these options. So I'll select one by one and what they'll do we can see. So if I select morph, this is how my next slide will appear. So I'll keep this here and I'll start my slideshow again. So this is where we added animation, and now the other animations, and this will be the transition to this slide. If we'll select fade, then it will come like this. If we'll select push, it will come like this. If we'll select wipe, next is split, reveal, okay, cut, random bars, shape, uncover, and cover. Okay, so personally I would like to have the split, and then I will save this and I'll start my slideshow to see how the effect is. Okay, so that was all. Thank you.